Hello friends, welcome back to the best rooftop gardening channel. Today we are doing another unboxing video of plants. I bought these plants online. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe it. I purchased these plants online from the Horticulture King, Kolkata. I ordered on 23rd July and I received these plants on 3rd August morning. Today I am shooting this video. You can see the packet, it is quite good. Now let's open it and see what we have received. Let's open the packet with the help of a cutter. We have to cut the packet carefully so that the plant do not get damaged. You have to cut all the edges. Both ends are sealed with tapes, so you have to cut all the edges. Now I have cut all the edges and now let's open. Now you can see the plants what we have received. All are covered in newspaper. I have ordered 15 plants, 15 Adenium plants. Let's check. We have received 16 Adenium plants. One additional plant have received. Now let's open all the packets and see how the plants are. I have ordered rosy Adeniums. All these are grafted Adenium obesum plants. You can see the plants are quite good. 160 is the serial number of the plant as mentioned in their catalog. Let's open this plant. Condition of the plant is not good. Let's check another plant. As the plants has traveled more than 5 days, some leaves get rotten, but this won't be a problem, I think. This one is quite good. Okay, let's open all the plants and see what are the condition of those plants. Okay, this one is quite good. Grafting is good also. The rootstock is healthy. You can see the rootstock is quite healthy. Let's open all the plants one by one. This is also good. Let's open another one. Okay, this one is also good. This plant is not good. Due to transition, some plants get damaged due to weather condition or temperature maybe, but we have to take care of those plants very well. Let's open all the plants and see their condition. You can see the photographs of the flowers I am sharing here that I have ordered. This one is good. Okay, this one is not good. The condition is quite bad. All the leaves have dried. I have opened all the plants. Now you can see the plants here. There are 16 plants I have received. I ordered 15 plants. They have sent one bonus plant. Thank you for this plant. You can see the grafting is quite good. It is around 6 inches height. This one is also good. The grafting part is good, but the leaves get damaged due to the transition time. It took around 6 days to reach the plant. They have dispatched on 29th July. The grafting is good. You can see the grafting. These are all rosy Adenium. You can see the grafting, and the rootstock is quite healthy. It will develop a good caudex after 1 or 2 years. We have to take care of the plants very well. You can see the colors of the flowers of the serial numbers that I have chosen from their catalog. This one is V grafted plant, and rest are all tablet grafted plants. So now we have to soak these plants in fungicide solution for 30 minutes at least. Here I am using stout fungicide, which is a systemic and contact fungicide. We have to dip all the plants into this solution and soak it at least 30 minutes so that the plant don't get fungus attack. We have to dip the plant completely into this water solution, and after 30 minutes we have to take these plants from this solution and dry it in semi-shade area. So let's wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I take out the plants from the solution and place it in a semi-shade area for drying. Let it dry at least 1 day, and after 1 day we will place it into the potting mix. So it will be another video. If you like this video, please do subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.